Hello, thanks for tuning in today. In this video I will be making a Mercedes-Benz based on the AMG GT R. I have some news for you guys. From now on I'm not sharing any of my plans anymore by mail. I've started a Patreon page, so you can get my plans by becoming a patron. People were asking me more often how they could support my channel, so now you can by becoming a Patreon and getting all kind of rewards instead. Link to my Patreon page in the description. Start with cutting up your lumber. Plane it down to the right thickness. Time for a little dance party. Cut out all the layers on the bandsaw. Before you glue it all up, you need to sand the inside parts of the car. I'm using double-sided tape to cut the same layers at the same time. Give the seat some shape with a rasp. Sand the layers a little bit before you glue them together. Now it's time to glue the 3 middle layers together. I'm doing them one by one. I'm using salt so the wood doesn't slip. Cut out the outside layers. Sanding all the curves smooth with the Dremel. Here I'm testing if there is enough space for the wheel. Glue the outside layers together. Drill 2 7mm axle holes. Let's make a steering wheel. I'm using a 13mm Pluck cutter. I'm drilling a 3mm hole in the middle. Drill a 3mm hole for the steering wheel. Cut the wheel recesses flush with each other. And sanding it smooth again. Now you can glue on the outside layers too. Cut it all flush on the bandsaw. Chisel away the bandsaw marks. Let's give the Mercedes some more shape. sanding it smooth on the belt sander. Shape the bonnet of the car with a chisel and a rotary tool. Glue in a 6mm thick groove. Shape the edge of the car with a rotary tool. Let's cut the roof flush on the bandsaw. Still a lot of fine tuning to do at the roof. Transfer the shape of the wheel recesses to create mud guards. My mud guards are 4mm thick. I'm drawing them 4mm wide. Glue them on. I've received some colored veneers from Roarockit Europe. I will be making wooden toys for charity out of them. But now I made the lights for the car. And again some sanding. Shaping the mud guards as much as I can with the Dremel. Some more shaping for the front of the car. I put the lights in hot water so I can bend them easily. Adding some details to the side and the top of the car. I've made two mirrors out of 4mm plywood. Drill 3mm holes and glue them in place. Let's create a spoiler for the car. Glue on 4mm dowels. Here I'm gluing on 6mm dowels, but you can see later in the video that I'm changing them. Drill two 4mm holes at the back of the car. I've made my wheels out of an old skateboard, 28mm diameter. Finish with mineral oil and your car is ready to race. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!